How to disable two-factor authentication on Epic Games. In this video, you will learn how you can disable two-factor authentication on Epic Games. So if this is your question, just stay tuned to the end. The first step is to log in into your Epic Games account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, this is how the page looks like. You will be brought to the Epic Games store automatically, where you can, get a number of games, and then you can click on discover to get games or browse, all right, to check out popular genres of games as well as news. And then once you have seen all of this, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Once you see this, click on it. After doing that, in the box displayed, go ahead and select account. Now after selecting account, you would wait patiently for the account page to load. Once it has loaded, this is how the account settings page look like. Now on this page, the next step is to move to the right side of the screen, the left side of the screen, where you can see options like account settings, email preferences, payments management, transactions, epic rewards, and then password and security. Just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, you will see change your passwords page. All right, then the next step is to scroll down until you see two-factor authentication. Okay, now for you to want to disable a two-factor authentication, it means that you've added it already. For me, I used my email for my two-factor authentication. Now, note that this method I'm about to teach you applies to the app as well as to the SMS code method. So once you've selected the two-factor authentication you'd like to disable, just click on the More Options button where in the email box, and then once you click on it, and a box will be displayed. In this box, you see the option remove method. You just click on it, and then once you click on it, the page would load, and then once it has loaded, a window would pop up asking you that about if you're sure of your decision of removing that particular two authentication method. So click on remove if you're certain, and then just like that, it would be disabled. So this is how you can disable two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.